Hello viewers, welcome to my channel TechPech. In this tutorial, I will show how to fix can't turn on Windows Defender in Windows 10 PC. Okay, let's start. First, come to the Windows search bar. Type here gpedit.msc. Click on the gpedit.msc. Then click Administrative Templates. Then double click on Windows Components. Scroll down and find Windows Defender Antivirus. Then double click on it. Now find Turn off Windows Defender Antivirus. Open it by double click. Click on Disabled. Then click Apply, then click OK. Now you can turn on Windows Defender in Windows 10 PC. If you have more problem, write in the comment section. Thanks for watching the video. Give a like, give comment and subscribe the channel.